If you are looking for the best Coursera AI courses and how to get a 40% discount, this video will show you the top programs and the smartest way to save money. The best Coursera AI courses combine strong ratings, real-world skills, and certificates that actually add value to your resume. Quick tip before we start. There is a link in the description that can give you up to 40% off Coursera Plus, which gives you access to most of these AI courses under one subscription. Let's go through the top courses you should consider. First is Google AI Professional Certificate. This is one of the most career-focused AI programs right now. You learn practical skills like prompt engineering, data analysis, and using AI tools in real-world scenarios. Second is Google AI Essentials. This is one of the best beginner-friendly AI programs with a strong rating around 4.8. It focuses on using generative AI in everyday work tasks, making it perfect if you are starting from zero. Third is AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng. This is one of the most popular introductory AI courses and is ideal if you want a simple, non-technical understanding of AI. Fourth is Machine Learning Specialization. This is one of the highest-rated programs on Coursera and is widely considered the best way to learn machine learning fundamentals. Fifth is Deep Learning Specialization. This is a more advanced program that teaches neural networks, computer vision, and natural language processing at a deeper level. Now let's talk about the discount. Most people make the mistake of buying these courses individually. That can get expensive very quickly. The smarter option is Coursera Plus. With Coursera Plus, you pay one subscription and get access to thousands of courses, including most AI programs. When discounts are available, like the 40% offer, it becomes one of the cheapest ways to learn AI at scale. You can also combine this with the 7-day free trial to test courses before committing. Here is the key insight. If you're only taking one course, paying individually might be fine. But if you are serious about learning AI, building skills, and earning multiple certificates, Coursera Plus with a discount is almost always the best value. If you want to check current pricing or see if the 40% discount is available, use the link in the description to get started with Coursera Plus.